beginning, I will give you some information about this piece. Then I will give you explain about green fabric, this one. Also, I will give you some information about Wool Ghilaf Ka'ba Musharrafa. This piece is original piece for next year, inshallah ta'ala. This piece, alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Like this piece in Ka'ba Musharrafa food. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Ya Rahman Ya Rahim, Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum, Allahu Akbar. This piece need to 1 month been complete, but all Ghilaf Ka'ba Musharrafa need to 10 months been complete, inshallah ta'ala الصلاة. This one, alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. الحي القيوم, الله يا حي يا قيوم, الله أكبر, alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Ya Rahman Ya Rahim. The gold used in this piece is pure 24 karat. Also the tooth, okay? The materials used in Ghilaf Ka'ba Musharrafa food: gold, silver, resham, silk. Also cotton. Gold, silver come from Germany. Silk come from Italy, Italia. Cotton come from Kashmir.
And gold,
gold, silver come from Germany. فما شاء الله تبارك الرحمن. يعني the factory here search about high quality. Okay. The quantity of gold used in Ghilaf Ka'ba Musharrafa 120 kg. Yes. Quantity of silver 100. Quantity of resham, wallahu a'lam wa jallu ahkam, 760 kilograms. The quantity of gold used in the tour only 280 kilograms. The amount of all Ghilaf Ka'ba Musharrafa every year